Where's our cute kid cooking? Where's Emma? Whoa! There she is! There she is.
Today,
What are we doing?
we are going to make ice cream in a bag.
We're gonna try to make ice cream in a bag.
That's really cool.
Yeah, first I need
Let's
you
take
to
it.
hold this bag
Open the box.
very tight. We're gonna get a cup of half and half.
Wait, I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet, Mom.
Okay, well,
Mommy, can I pour it in?
yeah, I'll hold the bag and you pour. Oh boy, I'm scared about this. Let's put Daddy's half and half back in the fridge. Okay, are you ready? Oh boy. Oh, I'm really nervous.
I'm going to help you.
Okay. Oh, I knew that wasn't gonna work. Next, 2 tablespoons
That'd be fun.
of sugar.
Mommy, can you hold it open?
Yeah.
I'm good at this.
Ready? Alright, put that in.
Oh, I'm
We'll do
gonna
2 of these. I don't know if you realize you're in for quite a workout though after this, because we're gonna have to shake this thing for 7 to 10 minutes after we get it all assembled. What do you think about that?
We're making
Alright,
ice cream.
now will you hold the bag for me again? Next,
What is it?
a half teaspoon of vanilla. Yeah, it's getting heavy, huh?
Oh, I can hold it.
It'll be okay. I believe in you.
Mommy, can I pour it in?
Yeah.
It's tiny, so I can.
Okay, got it?
Yes, by myself. We're making experiments. Not really, but yeah.
Kind of.
They're like,
There's science involved in this for sure.
they're like, what are we gonna
Now
do
we gotta
with
get
that?
all the air out of it.
Oh, whoa.
That's important.
Is that all we need?
No. In this big bag, we're gonna put in
That?
3 cups. Nope.
We
So in
got
a
some powder.
bigger bag, we need 3 cups of ice and a third of a cup of kosher salt. We'll do that and then come back and talk to you. Sounds good? Now it's time to shake, shake, shake.
Shake, shake, shake.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake this ice cream. Shake this ice cream for
Look,
7 to 10 minutes. Should we put on a timer?
No.
Yeah, I think we do a little time lapse of us shaking this. So enjoy the next few seconds for you that will have been 7 to 10 minutes for us.
What?
All right, do you want toppings with it?
No.
You want chocolate sauce or?
Chocolate sauce.
All right, we'll spoon it out, get it all ready, and then we'll taste test.
Mommy, we have a lot of vanilla ice cream now.
Mm.
No, this
There it is.
it. No,
Now it's time.
it doesn't have something in it. It's just chocolate
It's
sauce.
just chocolate sauce. Are you ready? Let's try it.
Mmm. Mhm.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
I'm getting it.
That's good. Ice cream.
Tastes good, Dad.
Dad, it tastes good.
What? Is it good?
Yeah.
Mhm. Really.
You have no face.
It is good.
It's good. There you go.
Mm.
A lot of work when you could just, buy vanilla ice cream. But a fun little activity
Mhm.
with things you have at home, probably. It's good. I was afraid the salt water would have gotten into it, but it's not. It's good. So, very fun. Nice return of cute kid cooking. We haven't done cute kid cooking in a long time.
Mommy, the inside of my cheek is
I
freezing.
know, my fingers are frozen.
The inside of this cheek
Mhm.
is really freezing right now.
Yeah.
But the other one isn't. I think I have an ice cream cheek.
Yeah. Make sure to do all those things you usually do. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Go back and watch some more Cute Kid Cooking on the playlist at the end if you'd like. And doesn't really have any references. We were singing We Don't Talk About Bruno to help pass the time while we shook the ice cream.
Yeah.
So I guess Disney is just a dream away.
Yeah, this is kind of Disney, but not like the ice cream. But we could make a Disney craft one time. But we could make a Disney craft.
Yeah, we do sometimes.
Maybe make it better.
True. Adventures out there, making your own ice cream with your hands.
Mommy, do you think
Not as God intended. Alright guys, thanks for watching, friends. We appreciate you, and we'll see you on another vlog. Bye, friends!
Bye.